Hey guys, Trina here. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm making a rainbow acrylic pour in honor of Pride Month. And you can see that I'm just squeezing on the colors out of these bottles. By the way, I got the bottles yesterday, and the cool thing is they have lines marked on them, so my paint is going to be more consistent and I can measure it out and pre-make colors, so it goes a lot easier and it's a lot more fun because I have a little bit more control over what the lines are doing. So I'm just adding colors here, all the rainbow colors that I mixed up. And now I'm going to add some more black and a little bit more white. And now I'm going to take a skewer and draw some lines in there to sort of give it the spider web pattern. And then I'm just gonna roll it around and spread it around, and I love how this turned out. This is really fun. It's super messy, but I really like it. Like, it's really cool. So I think I need to play around with more of these types of tilted paintings because I love how vibrant the colors are. Okay, until next time, have a good day. Bye.